number one reason why people work out is because they want to see results. In Dubai, there's now hundreds, perhaps even thousands of places you can get a workout, and they all follow a really familiar formula. You pay your money, you work out, and you leave. And because the core service is essentially the same, companies fight to differentiate themselves. They might be really good on social media, have great websites or branding. Some of them affiliate with local companies or get sponsorship from famous faces. Some of them focus on towels and toilets and smoothie bars. And what's the one thing that all of those things have in common? None of them get you your results. A nice toilet or some moody lighting doesn't change one thing. If you want to buy a pair of jeans, you go to Diesel and buy the jeans. The service solves the problem. In fitness, the opposite is true. You want to get results, so you go to a group exercise class and they end up giving you a load of things that don't get you your results. But compare this to the Circuit Factory. Of course, we kick your butt, but on top of this, we give you all the stuff you need to do around the workout that enables the workout to actually take effect. You might send your food diary off to us, we'll give you a critique on it so you know what you've done well or what you need to improve. We'll give you access to a massive reservoir of food information, which might be menus or recipes or meal plans or whatever, so you can be damn sure that you fuel your body with everything you need to enable the workout to do its job. Everything that you do has its place, and it's there because it drives you towards your results. And on top of all this, we'll actually deliver your food to your door. So you don't need to do anything. You don't need to know where to go, what to eat, or what to avoid. You just book it on a website, and on Saturday it comes to your front door. It's a box of food. You eat the food, you get the results. If you compare everything that Circuit Factory gives you of value, things that really work, versus everything that works in the competition, and then you compare the price, Circuit Factory is a different animal. Every single thing we do gets results, which is why we can do this.
I've lost 5 kg and 13 centimeters around my waist.
7.5 kgs.
I lost almost everything.
I'm almost back to my pregnancy weight in 1 month only.
I lost 8 kg.
5 kilos and 11 centimetres in 12 days. Game changer. Game changer.
I'm 51 years old and I have never had a body like this. I feel like I'm starting a new life. So I'm come here and start challenge.